Artistic family, glad you guys are here. For anyone who is new, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe by the end of the video. And to all of my fellow Canadians, happy belated Canada Day. Okay guys, so if you're caught up, a couple videos ago I did a gorgeous painting called Darkness into Light. If you haven't seen it, I will link that for you. I'm using the exact same colors, except I'm not using just paint and water. I do have my usual pouring medium, which is Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium, Professional by Liquitex. Now, a lot of you guys love obsidian, and what is there not to love about it, okay? And a couple of you have commented, which is true, and I think I might have mentioned it a while ago videos about this being bossy, but most metallics are bossy. So my copper is bossy, the gold is bossy. The only two that really aren't too bossy is bronze and silver, but obsidian is extremely bossy. So as much as I love the other painting, I had a lot of it. So I'm going to put it in several layers, like small areas, when I layer it. And I'm using 2 cups. We are going to do a double straight pour. And I'm really excited, so let's get going. once again, I am in love. And you'll notice, where is the burnt sienna? There it is, just right there. Same colors as last time, same pour. I did a little different where I did the second cup with the inside. Again, that will create different patterns, and I'm absolutely loving that I did do that, because if not, I would have lost my gold. I used very little amounts of small layers. I like to do that. Sometimes they're a little thicker than others, but you can see the other colors in there, the fine layers. And of course it's super shimmery, just enough white to add some contrast. Loving the gold center. I tilted off center. I don't do center, I do asymmetrical. I don't like anything perfectly in the middle. For me, it's not as aesthetically pleasing. And again, we've got those obsidian cells, which is what I'm going to start calling them. And I love this. This is just really pretty here. And again, I wanted more of my diagonal composition and some negative space. So yeah, I'm really, really loving how this turned out. Very pretty. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please double check and make sure you are subscribed. I've said this before, and intermittently I will remind you, because sometimes if you don't watch my videos weekly, what's happening, and not just with my channel, is YouTube is kind of unsubscribing you. Now, I'm not sure if they're doing that intentional or there's some type of glitch in the system. Please double check, make sure it's lit up black, and then make sure you select all to get notifications, community updates, and not miss any videos. So thank you so much for being here. Stay safe, stay healthy. Stay tuned for the quick close-up, and I'll see you all in the next pour. We're painting.